Hi, welcome to my channel, Beauty Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner. This is an easy potato salad for two. You will need 2 potatoes, 1 egg, a handful of shredded carrot, a tablespoon of red onion, and a tablespoon of a red bell pepper. For your seasoning, you have a teaspoon of adobo, a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of parsley. So get your pot with your water ready. You start setting everything so you can start boiling. You just put your potatoes in with your egg and let it boil. So everything is nice and boiling, but you still need to leave it for about 10 minutes. Here 10 to 15 minutes have passed, and the way you can check to see if your potato is already done is you can take the spoon to the corner of the pot and try to break a piece of potato off. And now I have all my ingredients in my seasoning. And I forgot to mention that you need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And now I'm just mixing everything together. I like to take the egg and the mayonnaise apart and just smother it all together. And then I will add in my seasoning to it. And I just make sure that everything is well incorporated before I put it on top of the potatoes itself. Now I'm putting all my mixture in. I'm gonna top it off with my vegetables as well. And then just make sure that everything is mixed together. And there you have it, a super easy potato salad. I say it's a good portion for 2, but actually it'll feed about 4 people. I just really don't like leftovers, so I try to make exact portions. So hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching Beauty Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner.